So hello and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you my most favorite lily, Lilium candidum plenum. This lily is a double form of the Madonna lily. It has a very nice lily of the valley, a citrusy lily of the valley smell, fragrance, and look how much green buds there are. So there will be a lot of beautiful flowers in June for me. I will show you more updates on this plant. So if you're interested and you don't want to miss my videos, like and subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any of my new uploads. Thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye.